everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna review the Joyami Air Fryer by Tokit, and we're gonna make some delicious chicken strips today. So let's go ahead and check what are the features of this Joyami Air Fryer. This is the fryer basket, pretty large, and there is a pan too, which I like most, and it is 10 by 10 inches. And this is the digital control panel with heat menus, fries, bacon, chicken, shrimp, fillets, cakes, mushroom and fish. And there is a lamp to weave the interior when you need. So this is the manual where you can see all the instructions from starting to use to maintenance. So these are the product instructions, and before the first use, make sure to thoroughly clean the basket and pan with hot water and some washing liquid and wipe it off. And this is an oil-free fryer, so you can make healthy food in it. Joyami fryer does not need a preheat. You can add 3 minutes to the preparation time when the fryer is still cold. Let's move on and start making our chicken strips. press the power button, press the menu selection key, select chicken menu and reduce the temperature to 390 Fahrenheit and set the preparation time to 14 minutes. You can check inside using the lamp and make sure to shake the ingredients or turn the other side halfway. This is another thing that I like most with Joyami Fryer is we don't have to worry about losing track on our recipe. It will automatically pause the fryer when we drag the basket out, and after shaking we can place the basket to continue the frying process so that we don't have to keep track and mess up with time in recipes. Looks nice and gorgeous brownish. I love everything about Joyami Air Fryer. The digital control panel, drawer style basket, non-stick interior, auto pause timing when opening the drawer, roomy drawer, wide and spacious. So it's convenient and a lovely air fryer with drawer style. If you're planning to buy a good air fryer, so this is your time to get 50% off on your purchase. Check out the link in the description box. So chicken strips are ready and serve with your favorite dipping sauce. Thanks for watching.